Hey everyone, if you're seeing a verification failed error, don't worry. Here's a quick and easy fix. First, restart your laptop or shut it down completely. Then, as it powers back on, keep pressing the Escape key or the F10 key. Now keep in mind, the BIOS key might be different depending on your laptop model, so if those don't work, just search online for your specific laptop's BIOS key. Once you're in the BIOS, head over to the Advanced tab, then go to Secure Boot Configuration. Now here's the important part. Set Legacy Support to Disabled and Secure Boot to Disabled as well. Once that's done, just create a bootable USB with the Windows installation files, and you're ready to reinstall Windows. Hope this helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe if it did.